Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys my 4 favorite slimes. So yeah, the first one is this one. This one isn't it's one of my favorite. So I'm doing to favorite to last favorite, but still my favorite. So, but I'm not even going in order. How about that? So here's the slime. It's a clicky slime, and it's a really cute, really light green, and in real life it's like a lime green. In camera it's not really light green. So I really like it. So let's go on to the next slime. So the next slime is this one. This one is just sits in a different container. But here's this one. Sorry about the background noise. But here it is. It's in a good slime, and it's okay slime. It's 2 slimes mixed together. So yeah. The next slime is this one. This one melts a lot, so I'm not gonna take it out. But that's that one. This one has a really good texture into it, and some glitters do come off of it, but it's still a good texture. So yeah, comment down below what's your favorite slime. What's your favorite slime? And peace. Subscribe. Like, subscribe, click that bell icon, and comment down below what other videos I should make, and